Okay, as a guest of honor, we have Miss Deepa Malik with us, who is the Arjun Awardee winner. I request her to come near the stage, please.
Almost about 15 years ago, I got paralyzed. You all are aware of that. And God gave me these set of wheels. But it was thanks to my love for motorsports that I could sit behind another wheel, the driving wheel, and be on a different set of wheels, which definitely gave me an identity of a motorsports person and not a wheelchair-bound patient. So, and I realized that it has given me a lot of acceptance. It has given me a lot of health, emotional health and happiness within. So we've started this initiative called Wheeling Happiness. Wheeling Happiness is about encouraging people in various disabilities to come out and enjoy outdoors. A lot of people, a lot of initiatives, a lot of foundations, a lot of government organizations are working towards accessibility issues, employment issues, but nobody is actually working on issues where adventure, outdoor, fashion, emotional health, picnics, these kind of things are not included for people like us. Infrastructure is a definite issue. More than that, the social mind frame is a huge issue. So that's one reason I came here today, that if people like us also start getting included, it will give us one outlet to come out and spend a day on a different set of wheels. Now that our vehicles are being officially registered, we are getting official licenses, and to celebrate that, I have already done 2 rallies way back in 2009 and 2010 when I did my Raid the Himalaya, very proudly sporting the jacket. So yeah, and well, I've not touched podiums, but I've definitely completed Desert Storm as a driver too. And nowadays my sports keep me off motorsports because recently brought home a silver medal from the Incheon South Korean Games, the Asian Games, with a new Asian record that has made me qualify for the upcoming World Championship, the only woman to qualify A level so far. And a lot of people say, how do you do this? But I guess in my body only my arms are functional, and they have the extra edge and the extra power because I keep driving the whole day. So I guess these sports and these outdoors give a lot of emotional health, and that's the request I'm making to my entire motorsports world, to start accepting people like us. And in such journey and in such appeals, I had started doing rallies, and I'm once again reviving my appeal. Of course, I did a lap here today. I was very surprised to know that I didn't have a single error. That's what Sudev sir told me. So that was great. And I'm also going for Triple R. So yeah, very shortly. So the whole idea here is to at least initiate a separate class for people like us, because I can definitely not match your speed now. I have everything on my hands. So maybe soon we'll have these categories, and hope to have more and more support from you all, because we guys need it. The encouragement will do wonders for our emotional health. So look forward for all the love which I've already got, because being a motorsports person never leaves me without a support backup. You guys are so used to giving that backup support, and that has always been my backup support. That's why I've been living for 4 years in a city called Delhi all by myself, training for my sports. So 3 cheers to all my motorsports buddies, because the medals that I win is because I have you all as my backup. So thank you so much for all the love, and we want this to get extended to more and more people like me. So please include us. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am. It is a very